Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So recently, so many people has been facing a problem in the Unity. That's saying that sir, after we have been updating our version, but also it's been not been getting approved, and you are getting like in a policy violence, or you need to fix a 12K policies and all those kind of a things. So recently, I have been seeing that so many people has been facing a problem. So many people has facing a problem. So that's the reason I want to show you what exactly has been happening in the Unity, so that which your problem you have been facing. So just I want to show you my screen, and I will want to show you what is exactly problem is happening. So see, you can see this is my some projects is Unity has there, and it has giving a problem that there is any issue that you have been identified that the editor version where the packages valid signature incorrectly making the say invalid. Please updated the latest version to be read. So if I want to go to read, and you will going to get some information that regarding saying you need to update and all the this is in a Unity policy, and not in Unity. What are the previously codes are there, you need to update all the codes. So this has been a warning, so all the reason warnings are there, because Unity has been updating their completely UI, and it has been API SDK is 34 or 35. That is the reason they want to be updated, because before that your app used to be work only in the Android application, but it has been, the Google has been developed the new way that you can able to play in the PC, and they are making a lightweight of the application. So it's very smooth running, and apart from that it will be very good functioning apps with the new phone functionality and the complete screen layout. So that's the reason they have been making so many changes. So recently we have been in the recent video which I showed you that you need to just updated the version, but you don't know that even you updated a new version also you have been facing this kind of a problem. So it's saying that it, you say that it's a yellow mark. So yellow mark, it's not a big problem. It has a time duration that you can soonly you can able to update your codes, a new whatever your games are there, you can able to upload update. It has a time duration of like in a 6 months to 1 year, is that exactly, I don't remember the time. So you need to update, but you want to fix this problem and you want to know what is the version is working and which is not working, just go in the Unity. I will show you. Here is the version of the Unity. So right now I have been download the all Unity version. Just click on the Google that Unity updated version. So here you can see all the version. See, so if you want to go to all versions here, in the all version, see here is a warning is there. So this you need to don't need to use this one, just you need to upgrade it latest one. So I refer you to go with it March trend, which is the present year, is the which is the present one is there that you need to install. This is a new version. So what are the new version is that you can able to use best, I want to prefer you just go for the LTS. So here in the LTS, still 6 0 0 dot 0 dot 66 F1 is there. So just now presently they have been updated to 6 0 0 0 0.70 F1. So this after you just you need to install here, and from the panel you can able to install from here. So I have only one thing, so I have been open, and whenever you have been opening you will face some kind of a problem. See, I have been open, it says that the .txt pro has been disabled, so you need to update your plugins. This kind of a plugins you will get a problem usually, so you need to update your plugins. So it has UI also has been changed here. The package management, just go in the package management, go in the updates. What are the updates are there, you need to do the updates, don't need to do all the changes and everything. Just update your plugins and update your ad networks and everything. So here has been updated that in-app purchases, timeline, Unity, version code, and Visual Script. It's a basic thing. It's up to you. You want to update or not. If it's a serious error, then you need to fix it. So there is not been a serious error for me, so I can able to upload or anything we can able to do. So who are people has facing this problem? See, recently I saw that so many people raising me the complaints, saying that sir, we have been updated, but still it's not been. So let's see what the recently comments I got it. Mm, so see sir, the violent dispute. I have solved this problem, but continuously I came to again. But how can I solve this? I due to the busy schedules of my due to the Ramzan and everything, I was not able to doing. So here also the solution is not working. It's given not fixing getting error that network abuse policy the 41C. So this, if we I want to see this user has getting problem, this is a version presently. I just want to copy and see whether its version is valid or not. Let's see. See, this is a warning section is there. So that's the reason he's facing problem. He's nothing but he need to update it this thing, and next video I will going to make the Xiaomi also how from the start to end how you can able to build the application. So here is the thing. So if you still face the problem, please like, comment me below in that so I can able to fix those things. It's not a big thing. It's a normal thing only because every time the plugin can after getting a AI, everything has been getting updated time by time. So that's the reason you have been facing a problem. So let's see if you still face a problem, so let me know so I can able to fix it out on these things. I hope you people like our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you can able to get a regular updates on that. Thank you so much.